Let me ask you a question. How many times have you been shut down by gatekeeper? You know, the drill where you call a company, you're full of confidence, and you're ready to pitch product or service, and then bam, you hit a wall. And you get familiar words and sentences like, sorry, they're not available. Can you send an email? Be in the meeting. It can be frustrating. But the truth is that gatekeepers aren't the enemy. They're just doing the job. And if you know how to work with them, not against them, then they can actually become your greatest ally. I'm a telesales coach and the creator of the Tele-GTM system. Spent years helping sales team break through this exact challenge. And today, I'm going to show you how to get past the gatekeeper every single time. This is no generic advice. This is proven and is step-by-step strategies that have worked. By the way, my name is Emmanuel, and it's great to meet you guys on here. So let's start with step one, the 7-step second opener. The 7-second opener. The first 7 seconds of your call determines whether the gatekeeper hangs up or helps you. Here's the exact script I use. Hi, this is Emmanuel with Telesales. I'm actually calling because we just helped a similar business achieve specific results, and I'd love to share how we can do the same for your business. Is the decision maker's name, like John, the right person to talk to about this? Here's why this works. It's actually specific. You have a name, you have the result, and you have the relevance. And it positions you like a problem solver, not just a generic salesperson. And it also forces the gatekeeper to think. This sounds important. Now, the second step is the bypass question. Most gatekeepers are trained to block sales calls, so don't sound like a sales call. Instead, ask a question that makes them think that you're already connected to the decision maker. What do I mean by this? Okay, here's the script I usually use. Hi, I'm following up on an email I sent to John about a specific topic. This is fill it in yourself. Is this the best number to reach them, or do they prefer email? Usually, here's why this works. It assumes that you're already in contact with the decision maker. It gives the gatekeeper 2 options, phone or email, both of which move you closer to your goal. And the third step is the I'm not selling technique. Now, what do I mean by this? Gatekeepers are trained to block salespeople, so don't just sound like one. Instead, position yourself as someone who can provide value and who is already providing value. How do you go about this? Let me give you a script that you can use today to help you to avoid this kind of situation and overcome it if you ever meet it. Hi, I'm calling to share a quick idea that could help your company name achieve a specific benefit. Is John, the decision maker, then the right person to discuss this with? Now, you might be wondering, why does this work? The reasons why this works is that it focuses on the benefits, not the sale. It makes the gatekeeper feel like they're helping a company by connecting you. So you get them on your side. Now, the fourth step, which I prefer to call the reverse psychology move, that's the step 4. It's actually aimed in situations where, let's say, if the gatekeeper says that the decision maker is busy, I don't expect you to push in this kind of scenario. Instead, agree with them and ask for their advice. Something like, oh, sure, I completely understand. When do you think will be the best time to reach them? I want to make sure that I'm respecting their time. Now, you might be wondering why this works. It shows that you're very respectful and not just pushy. It makes the gatekeeper feel like they're in control. And once they feel this way, it increases the chances that they will help you. And let's talk about the fifth step, the step 5, the direct line ask. If let's say, gatekeeper won't connect you, ask for the decision maker's direct line on email. Frame it as a way to save everyone time. Something like along the lines of, I don't want to keep calling and interrupting your day. Do you have a direct line or email for John? That is the decision maker's name, so I can follow up with them directly. Now, here's why this works. It positions you as considerate, not pushy. It gives the gatekeeper an easy way to help you without feeling that they're breaking the rules. And let's talk about the step 6, the voicemail bomb. Now, if you can't get through, leave a voicemail. That's totally impossible to ignore unless it has no voicemail box set up. And I usually aim to keep it under 30 seconds and focus on one specific result. Something like, "Hi, John, this is your name with company name." So we specialize in helping companies like yours, for instance, solve specific problem or pain points. And I'd love to share a quick idea that could help, potentially benefit you in a certain way. You have to find the benefits then and tie it to this. You can reach me at your phone number. Looking forward to connecting. This is one of the shortest voicemails, and it was because it's short, it's specific, and it's focused on their benefits. It also gives them a reason to call you back. And if it's something that they're experiencing, definitely they're gonna call you back. Now, the step 7 is the gatekeepers relationship hack. Now, I usually use this because 90% of the gatekeepers I speak with end up becoming my friends. And it's because I've mastered this over thousands of calls in order for me to understand the best way to approach, because they're also decision makers in their own state. Now, if you call the same company often, build a relationship with a gatekeeper. Learn things like their name, ask about things like how the day is going, and always thank them for their help. Now, if you're wondering how to go about this, let me give you a quick script that you can use. "Hi, gatekeeper's name. This is your name again. How's your day going? Oh, thanks for always being helpful. Is John or the decision maker's name available?" Now, here's why it works. It humanizes and builds rapport with them. And it makes the gatekeeper more likely to help you in the future because they feel that you appreciate their time and their hard work. Now, the bottom line is, getting past the gatekeeper isn't about using tricks or gimmicks. It's actually about being prepared. You have to be very respectful and you have to focus on providing value. When you approach gatekeepers with confidence and clear purpose, they will more likely help you. Now, anytime you get on a call, always remember that the gatekeeper isn't the enemy. They are your first step to success, and always try to treat them well because they'll open the door for you, and that door is going to make you thousands, if not millions. Now, go and make those calls, and I'd love to hear how that goes for you using these strategies, step-by-step strategies, next time in the comment section. Thank you very much for your time, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more sales tips. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.